Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to set up server-side tracking in ClickGuard step by step so you can improve data accuracy and protect your campaigns more efficiently. So what is server-side tracking? It's an advanced ClickGuard tracking method designed to improve click and visitor tracking accuracy by bypassing browser-level restrictions and ad blockers. Now the first step is to log in into your ClickGuard dashboard. Then navigate to Settings, Tracking Code, and under Advanced Tracking, enter your website domain. Once done, click on Generate DNS Record. You will get DNS instructions on how to create CNAME record within your DNS provider. If you're not sure how to do this, no worries. You can send the instructions directly to your dev team by clicking on the Send the Installation Instructions and then just enter the email from one of your dev team members. After adding the record, return to your ClickGuard and click on Verify Installation button. Once verified, the last step is to install the tracking code. If you already have tracking code installed with Google Tag Manager in your ClickGuard dashboard, you can skip this step. If the code was installed manually, you need to update it by simply removing the existing one and replacing it with a new one that's under the standard tracking section. Switch to install manually and then just copy the tracking code script and replace it with the existing one on your website. If you don't have tracking code installed at all, you can also install it with Google Tag Manager. Once the code is live, you can click to verify the installation. If everything is set up correctly, the system will confirm the tracking is active. And that's it. You've successfully configured server-side tracking in ClickGuard. If you're stuck somewhere or unsure of any steps, our support team is there to assist you.